Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix this phone number cannot be used at this time. Try again later or choose a different phone number. So guys, if you're getting these errors, then I'll show you how can you fix it. First of all, you have to close this page. Let me tell you that when you try to log in your Apple ID or iCloud and you are entering your phone number for 2FA and it's not working and it's showing the error like this, then I'll show you how can you fix it. So first of all guys, what you need to do is just simply have to open the settings. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down a bit. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply you have to tap on general. So from here you have to scroll it down, tap on date and time and make sure that your date and time is correct. Just simply have to select your time zone, or you have to select your language or region, correct one in which you are living. Just close this page, open the settings, scroll it down, tap on general, scroll it down. From here you have to go to language and region. Just simply have to tap on region and just simply have to select that region in which you are living. So let me tell you that you can also go to settings. From here guys, what you need for the location services. So from here guys, what you need to do is just simply have to scroll it down. You can easily see here privacy and security, tap on location services, just simply have to turn this on. And after that guys, what you need to do is just simply have to force restart your device, and after that hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much for today video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.